getting the right performers for a role is important. So we use Lucid to categorize and select the best talent for our projects using this custom casting board. Team members can see which actors have submitted for a role and asynchronously collaborate to determine and make selections for who is best for each part.
We can't do it alone. So when we need to hire out, Lucidchart makes it easy to track and maintain our ever-growing contractor pool of skilled professionals. From gaffers to sound mixers to this guy, we can use Lucid to help us ensure we have the right contact information and up-to-date payment information.
Up to date.
Using the Lucid cards inside Lucidchart, anyone from the team can add a new contractor, verify that their information has been updated and proper paperwork has been received and submitted to necessary stakeholders. Keeping tabs on your actors has never been easier. There she is.
You keeping tabs on me?
You keeping tabs on me?
You keeping tabs on me?
You keeping tabs on all of us. Watch yourself.